Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Learn how to make Instagram account under 2 minutes.
Open Instagram account. Click on create new account. Fill your phone number or email.
Fill the OTP. Fill your name and strong password. Fill your date of birth. Click on Next button. Click on Sign Up button. Click on Skip button. Choose your account type, private or public. Add your photos or click on Skip button. Follow your favorite person. Your account was created. Don't forget to hit subscribe button. BYY.